Hi all, how are you? Welcome to Cook with Nisha. Today's recipe is broccoli paneer cutlet. Let's see the ingredients. We need finely chopped broccoli, finely chopped curry leaf, finely chopped coriander leaf, finely chopped dill greens, green chili chopped, finely chopped onion, some cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste, salt as per the taste, gram flour, cumin and coriander powder, grated paneer, magic masala, dry roasted crushed groundnuts. Let's see how to make it. So in a bowl, add all the chopped broccoli, add the coriander leaf, curry leaf, dill greens, green chili, cumin seeds, onion, the dry roasted grinded groundnuts, cumin and coriander powder, grated paneer, gram flour, magic masala, salt as per the taste, mix the complete mixture. If required, you can add some oil. If it is still dry like this, you can add some corn flour to it with little bit of water into it, so it will become like this. Now make it a fine round shaped cutlet, just like this. And on the other side, I have heated the pan and kept the cutlet. Just add a little bit of oil just for the cutlet to get cooked. You can see how nicely it is looking, green in color. Enjoy your cutlet with mint chutney. Thank you for watching Cook with Nisha. Like, follow and share.